Are you looking to learn how to make vegan milk at home within just 1 minute?
Oh my gosh, yes!
Making plant-based milk is difficult for people because it required a lot of hectic and need to follow a long process to make it.
You're goddamn right.
Then you are on the right video. I am going to tell you how simple way you can make such kind of easy milk at home within 1 minute.
What the hell are you talking about?
The recipes which I am going to tell you will be high in calcium and protein. So you no need to worry about the healthiness of these recipes. Watch the entire video to learn about all the steps how to make it fast. And welcome to the 7-Minute Health channel.
Well, we are glad you're here.
Step 1. Take 1 glass of water approx 200 milliliters in blender or mixture. Here you have to note that the water which you are taking must be slight high in temperature as compared to the room temperature. Step 2. Then you have to take 1 spoon of almond butter. Note, the almond butter which you are taking to make plant-based milk must be natural. This means if you read the ingredients list on a packet, it should be only written roasted almond. There should not be added with any extra ingredients. Step 3. Take 1 piece of dates. Note, don't forget to remove seeds from the dates. Step 4. Take 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. We are taking cinnamon powder here to add extra flavor to plant milk, so it tastes really good when you will consume it. Step 5. Mix 1 spoon of almond butter, 1 piece of dates and 1 pinch of cinnamon powder in a blender with 1 glass of water. Step 6. Now you have to blend it for 35 to 45 seconds at high speed. Step 7. Now strain the blended milk in a glass. And it's ready to serve. This is how it was so simple to make vegan milk. There are several benefits of this plant-based milk which is just ready in 1 minute. This is low in calories, so you no need to worry about it. If you are on weight loss, then it's a good option for you. And if you are struggling with your extra weight, then you can watch my weight loss drink video. Naturally easy to make a drink at home which helps to burn several pounds in a month. To watch that video you can click on the I button which just popped up above. This is the list of ingredients which we use to make this vegan milk. You can note it down or pause the video to write it down. The plant-based milk which makes just right now is great for your heart and must contain around 4 to 5 grams of protein, which will help to boost the metabolism of your body and control your blood sugar level. You can use this plant-based milk in your smoothies to make them tasty and healthy. I hope the recipes which I have shown you in the video will help you to move ahead with your diet, and you will make these tasty recipes. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your vegan friends. Comment love in the below video to show your love with this video and presentation. If you are looking to get more health related information like this, then you can subscribe to our channel.
Sounds like an adventure. I'm in.
There are more health related and weight loss related videos are coming soon, so you won't miss the health information. Follow us on the Instagram, a link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy and healthy. See you soon. Bye.